Today we're cooking a tomahawk steak over the open fire. First thing I'm gonna do is get it out the package, pat dry it, and season it with salt and pepper on all sides. Next, I'm gonna tie the meat to the bone. That way, while it's hanging, the meat doesn't stretch too much. What we're trying to do is mimic a reverse sear by letting it cook low and slow right next to the fire. And once the meat gets up to temp around 115, 120 internal, we'll pull it off and we'll sear it and get it nice and charred on all sides. So this steak that's hanging, it's gonna take a while. So while we're waiting, we're gonna pop a new bottle that I got. So I got a brand new bottle of barrel bourbon. They sent this to me because in one of my videos, I had opened the bottle, I tasted it, and at first taste, I didn't really like the bourbon. It wasn't for me, but after second, third, fourth, the bottle actually started to grow on me. So they sent me this one and they said maybe this would be more up to your speed. So let's pop it open. Cheers. It's got a slight, like, spicy and citrus finish. Almost like a subtle vanilla with a little bit of citrus. Let's try it again. This is barrel bourbon, cask strength. It's a blend of straight bourbon whiskeys, batch number 33. This was aged for 5 years, and it's 58.3% alcohol. Cheers. After we sear the meat, we're gonna cover it in foil and let it rest for about 15 to 20 minutes before we slice it open. So I ended up pulling the tomahawk at 115 and then searing it just over the fire. Perfect, medium rare. I would never lie to you guys. I overcooked the ribeye cap just a little bit. Actually, a lot of it. Still fantastic.
If you're gonna cook me a steak, it needs to be pink.
Beautiful, medium rare tomahawk steak cooked over the open fire. What else could you want? Cheers.